Hi guys, today I am going to work with one 2mm wire and one 2.5mm needle. We'll start by doing it on the slide. And then in the sequence, I will work 24 chains. After making all the chains, I will skip the first one. In the following work, a single crochet. I keep making a single crochet for each base stream. 20 twice. Ready, I did the 22 single crochet. Here on the last chain, I will insert the needle and go to work. 2 single crochet. There will be 2 single crochet in the same current. Then I will follow, doing a single crochet for each current until the end. It will be 22 points. This way, both sides will be exactly the same. Each side with 23 single crochet. After finishing that first row, I made one slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now, to my thread, I jump 2 points, and here I will work 6 single crochet. There will be 6 single crochet at the same point as the base. After making 6 single crochet, I will skip 2 points again. And I will make one slip stitch at the next point, loop jump 2 points from base, and in the next point I work 6 single crochet. After making the 6 points, I jump 2 points from the base. At the next point, work slip stitch. We're going to do this for the whole career. I repeated 8 times in total. Now I can get the needle. On this first point of the 6 double crochet, and make a slip stitch. After that, I will walk to number 4. Point 4. Path with slip stitch, and I leave 2 points left here at the end of the 6. This way. Now tie the thread. Insert the needle right here on top of the slip stitch from previous row, and here I will work 6 double crochet. And you can score that first slip stitch we made. Now, I insert the needle here in the 4th stitch and make the slip stitch. 2 points left here of the 6. Insert the needle into the slip stick of the previous row, and also work 6 single crochet. I insert the needle into the 4th point of this next fan. I make a slip stick, and I will continue this way until the end. Coming here at the end, we will make 1 slip stitch here at the last slip stitch. Or you can make 1 slip stitch on top of the first slip stitch of this first group of 6. Path to the 4th point of this group, then just work 6 double crochet here on top of the slip stick of the previous row. I have already finalized the round, and you can make the slip stitch on top of the last slip stitch, or at this first double crochet of the group. It's from the 6 points. Now I will repeat this sequence a few more times. Make a few more careers, and I come back to you in the sequence showing the color change. And here you guys. I worked some rows with that same color. I made 1 total of 6 rows. And you can notice that the locks get in shape. Very subtle, almost imperceptible. And here's how I'm going to work a bag for the Kindle. I will do groups of 6. Bracing is trading every 6 rows to give the size of my piece. But here you can do the color change, the way you prefer, according to your piece size. Here I will finalize this thread. I will cut and finish with the tapestry needle. To make the color change is super simple. I'll get my new color. And I will introduce the needle right here in the fourth point, as if it were the slip stitch. I look for the wire, safe to spare back there. I leave a leftover for the finish. And here at the next slip sticks, we will start making 6 double crochet. And let's continue with that same sequence. So here I made the 6 double crochet. Now I insert the needle into the fourth point, making the slip stitch, and so on. So I will grow my piece. And then I come back with you. Ready, staff. I finished the 3 color exchanges here. It stayed that way, my piece. Now I will do one finish. Start making 1 chain. I place the needle in the same space. I look for the wire. Now I'm going to get this thread that's coming from the skein, and I will pass this way through the needle, circling the point. I loop and finish the single crochet. At the next point, I introduce the needle. I look for the wire. Tie my wire by back of the needle. Then I finish the single crochet. At the next point, I introduce the needle. I look for the wire. I tie here my needle behind. I give a twist. Then I finish by making the single crochet. And I'll do it for the whole career. It's very simple. And it will look very beautiful. This finish After finishing that row with that single crochet, stylized, we are going to do the finishing of this leftover wire. So I cut. I finish the finish with the tapestry needle. And now let's make the flap, which is super simple. I will start by doing it on the slide. Then 5 gullies. And I'm working with the first color. I made the careers back at the base. Now we are going to work single crochet. We will make 1 single crochet for each point on the base. And here it's super simple. We'll keep making a chain. I turn the piece, and I will work until row 10. This way, making a single crochet for each point on the base. I made all the rows here. Now to do the button cava. We are going to do as follows. I will make a chain. I turn the piece. I work here with 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. And then it will depend a lot on your button. I'm going to put 2 chains for my little button. And then I finish the career with 2 single crochet. I finished this career. Now I will go around the whole piece with a single crochet. Here is super simple. Just introduce the needle in each of these rows and work a single crochet. At the tip, you can put 2 dots. At each end, ready after finishing? Space is here to put the button. And here I will finish with tapestry needle. And after finishing the flap, to place on the piece, I will use silicone glue. Can be any other glue of your choice. And you can also sew to your piece. And I indicate if you want to sew, that you push this flap in the same color of the last laps. This is so that the seam is not apparent on the wrong side. Ready, staff. One more work completed. I hope you enjoyed it. This crochet bag, with that wonderful point that is the shell point. This bag, it has one very beautiful appearance, and it also does not have an apparent mark of row closures. This bag you can make in various sizes. I will leave it here in the video description or ebook, where I show how to do of various sizes. Here I made it for Kindle, but you can do it to mobile or also a wallet. Until more,